fine, sir. I am Ziaul Mustafa from Aligarh Model School and I am studying here in class 10th. I got this scholarship last year when I was admitted in this school in 9th class. My father, when he came here, we three of the brother and sisters was there. We want the admission in this school, but my father wasn't able to afford the fees. Then manager sir, he told us that there is a team that I can get the scholarship. Then he saw my result and I was approved for this thing. If this scholarship wouldn't have been given to me, then I think that I would be working in fields with my father. My father is a simple farmer. And today also, I am living here in a room on rent and my father is 200 kilometers from here, Nainital. Then it is really very hard for him to send money even for the house rent and the daily uses, money which is used for the daily uses. So if fees would be there, then the burden on his head would be increased and I think that he would have stopped us from this, getting the education. And my aim is to be an electronic engineer. First of all, I want to crack the IIT. And inshallah, if the companies like this would be helping me, those days are not far away. I have full confidence on my ability that I will do one day. I will crack IIT inshallah. And I'm really thankful on behalf of my parents and my family that this company, this association is helping me. And many of the children like me, they are away from the reach of these companies. So it will be better for us, better for humankind that if the companies like this would search the students, that those who want to study but they could not study just because of lack of money or any other reason, like me. Last year when my father, he listened about the AMU University. So I gave entrance but I wasn't able to qualify because I am little bit weak in Urdu. That's why in 9th class I wasn't able to crack the entrance of AMU. Then my father thought that here in the Muslim community we should be admitted here in any of the private schools. But when my father reached here, we three brothers and sisters were there. And when he took the total of fees, then he said that I will not allow my child to go to the schools. And he was in his mind somewhere it was that he was thinking that the student, they should be stopped from studying and they should work at the field. And if the Aligarh Education Fund, it wouldn't have helped me, then I think that I would be working in fields with my father. So I am really thankful to Aligarh Education Fund that they helped me. And inshallah, when I will become something and when I will do something in my life, I will also found an association like Aligarh Education Fund, which will help the students, those who are lacking behind just because of money, like me. So this can help in the development of our country also, because just because of money, very much talent of our country is wasted. We can say wasted, or it is not flourishing just because of money. The students, they are not coming forward because their father don't have enough money so that they can go to school. They can get education in a good school. Now this Aligarh Modern, it is a good school, and I am studying here just because of Aligarh Education Fund. I'm really thankful to behalf of my father and my family.
Myself, Hilal Asghar, student of class 10th of Aligarh Model School. And I'm really honored that I'm getting this help. It is Aligarh Educational Fund. Without that, I would not think of getting education. And I think I was lacking behind each and everything. But the kind of help which I got from here, it helped me and promote me to go and face the challenges of the modern world. And now I'm here. Inshallah, I would do, with the help of this fund, I would do better inshallah in the future, and I would try to be one of the best students of this school. And I'm thankful to the provider of this fund. That who I am today is because of them also. And basically, I belong to a family where I could not imagine to come to the school today. But what kind of help being provided is really worthwhile. And I think I'm thankful, and I'm thankful to all of them who are giving me this help, and inshallah I will make full use of it.
From class 9, I am studying in this school because of Aligarh Education Fund, because my father is not able to pay so much fee for my education, and and because it is the Aligarh Education Fund that I am studying in this school and getting all types of facilities and I am and after studying in this school and achieving good knowledge, I am able to achieve my goals or go to other countries to study. And my father is not properly employed. He is not he has not permanent job. That's why we have problem that we have to face, that we are not able to pay our fees regularly.
My name is Salman Khan. I am studying in class 7. My Aligarh Modern School. My father is financially weak, and I have 4 sisters and 3 brothers. Aligarh Educational Fund helped me before last year. It has helped me very much. If it has not helped me, so I would be working in a tea stall or in a shop.
My name is Sana Sabir. I'm studying in class 6 in Aligarh Modern School. I'm highly thankful because Aligarh Education Fund gives me a scholarship to study in Aligarh Modern School. And my father is financially weak and he cannot afford the money to study me in this school. And I am very thankful to Aligarh Education Fund.